And I had not known that until I saw it do as well. So stay tuned for those. By this your man TJ with Wing F11 Mini. Weather has cooperated. It's gonna allow me to take this out. So this is Memorial Day, okay? 80 degrees here. Ever since I saw it and I bought it on eBay, nobody sent this to me. We have more to come. This is the Ruco. Got good stuff, and we're gonna get it out there. Parked in Grand Ledge, Michigan. I've been here last time, Linery HK55. To those who commented about having an SD card, I have some SD. I'm not going to talk your ear off. I'm going to stop. Back you all. This is the Ruco landing and ascending button. Does not have a 3-axis gimbal. Wind resistant level of 4. Has an SD card place for you.